just arrived at Disney's Port Orleans Riverside. We're staying in building 24, Alligator Bayou, room 2438 on the second floor. Snack machine. So here's our room. Not the best view, but at least we have a room. Here's our room at Port Orleans Riverside. There's the 5th sleeper, flat screen TV, table and chairs, and your air conditioner. We have an ice bucket and the little coffee station. Refrigerator is down here in this cabinet. And then I love this curtain. This was in our room last time when we stayed here in Riverside. This leads into the bathroom area. You have the double sinks, and then shower curtain. It's your shower, and they do provide shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. We always bring our own, but you can use Disney's if you want. Towels, and then they put extra towels down at the bottom. Toiletry items. Get some facial soap and some Mickey lotion. Nice area to hang your clothing, extra pillow and blanket. Also your iron and your ironing board. So we've stayed at several rooms this Disney trip, and I think I prefer Coronado and Port Orleans regular rooms. I do love the theming of the royal room. It's still my favorite room that I've ever stayed in as far as theming goes, but there's just a couple of things I didn't like about it. It definitely needs some upgrading. They are the only rooms at Disney that have not been upgraded. And the carpet, I just feel like they should change out the carpet because it's been there a while, and I do not prefer carpet in hotel rooms. So I'm going to end this video on the hotel stay because this is our last night here. We're about to go enjoy the pool, but I will have a lot of Disney videos coming up and also other things to do in Florida and surrounding areas. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.